everybody. Hi everybody, Asong Filipina here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is my outfit today. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you, this is coconut here in the Philippines. And then I'm gonna eat that one because that's one of my favorite. So this is the this is my toenail polish today, is red. So I'm gonna drink. Cheers everyone. So this is one of my favorites. I'm going to eat this one. So I'm gonna show you. I know, I think you don't like it, but Filipino love it. So I'm gonna eat this one. So only one. At the same time, I have to use my phone as always. So, okay. You can follow me on my Patreon. Check it out there. So I have new parcel today. Flip-flops. So I'm going to unbox that later. After this, I think. So I eat coconut every day, and my brother bring me coconut every week. Sometimes in the city, but then in the city they have coconut, but then inside is empty, only water inside. So, and it's expensive there. It's 35. So I decided just the well, my brother just sent me this coconut every week. We have a big farm. Parents from my parents' place. I'm going there and I'm gonna show you my area also. Only it's mountain. I have to climb a lot. So I have custom video. I have very bad experience last night, but everything is good. So just thank you so much to all of my followers. So today my plan, I'm going to the city, I'm going to shop school supplies. I'm going to give it to the parents that hardly cannot manage to afford the needs of their kids, but then I just share it like with 20. Yeah, just small amount of money each of the family, and I'm going to shop school supplies for that, like notebooks, ball pen, pencil. So I'm gonna distribute that, and then I'm excited to do it, and I use my Facebook page for that. So if you want to follow me more on feed photos and videos, you can just check out in my Instagram account and my Facebook page. Is also, you can also follow me there, Chris Vlog. But then I think I'm going to focus on giving there. So what I earn here in YouTube, I'm gonna share it to poor people or parents that cannot really afford. But then I do school supplies because I'm also poor before, and it's hard to afford that with a ball pen. Hi Roy. Roy is very noisy. That's the name of my talking bird, but the bird is not talking. Talking bird is Mina. So that's my plan today. And so far I have like 30 shares already in my Facebook. So I'm gonna continue that. So I'm going to, yeah, today I'm going to buy. So next time again. If you want to donate, you're also welcome to donate. But it's good to show it first to show that I'm really sharing it to others. So that's my day. So I'm done with the coconut. And this one, I share it to my friend, the one who take care of the house when I'm away, and always, the person always with me when I go out. My bodyguard. And it's just a friend. And today I'm talking to a customer. I have custom video. Okay, so the reason of I see comment here. The reason that I'm renting a car because my car is still under repair, and it takes time for the insurance to approve for the car estimate. But then yesterday I called them and they said that maybe this week or next week. So it's soon. So I have to bring it to the casa, and then after that only I heard it takes like 3 months to 6 months to finish. But I will make sure when I go there, I have to make sure that it will be done um, fast. So I will see if whatever amount that they're charging, if possible, that I will just pay it, and then the insurance itself can pay me for that money so that they will work faster. So maybe that's also help, but I have to inquire that to the insurance and inform the insurance. So whatever amount that the insurance will pay to the car repair, I have to pay it, and then the insurance will pay me for the money. Yeah, that's my day. So I'm done here, and I only have this drink. Then okay, I have to tell you, I think there's no coconut in the other country. I'm not sure. So I have an allergy from the vaccine. So it's my vaccine is Pfizer for a booster, and then only one shot. So after that, I got an allergic reaction with the vaccine. So what I do, it takes like 2 years before it's over. It's only over this time. This time, like 2 months ago, I started working out because I don't really like to go work out, and I just stay home and like lazy here. So doing my vlog, walking around, so it's kind of workout in a way. So now it's like, because it's cooler in the mountain compared to the city, so I was thinking like, okay, I have to go to the gym and do the workouts just to sweat, just for the health. And then after that, because it's very thirsty, it's very hot in the city, so I always, after workout, I always go to buy coconut, this one, coconut, and drink juice together with my friend. So you know what I noticed? It's like it dilutes the vaccine. I'm not a doctor. It's just in my observation, because I got allergy. That's after the vaccine. So after that, when I drink this coconut juice, it really helps now. So it's been 3 months now, because I've been working out for 3 months. Just to sweat, I don't really carry heavy weight. Barbie, stop. Quiet. Stay down. Okay, this is my dog. It's Barbie. Sweet dog. Okay, to make it short, I drink coconut juice almost every day, and after that, oh my gosh, I don't get an allergy anymore. It's like the vaccine inside my body is diluted with this water from the coconut. So I'm not sure if there's coconut in USA or Europe, or because most of my followers is in Europe or India. If you experience an allergy from the vaccine, because for me the allergy comes from the vaccine itself, just the reaction. But I'm not sure, but that's what just my experience. Ato nga bibigas na. It's my daughter's friend is here. So until, that's why I have this coconut every day, and I notice like, well, if you want to drink coconut, you can try. If you have this kind of experience, then you can wait a, I have a message. You can drink coconut juice. Wait, I have a message. Okay, yeah, that's all. And if you have questions, I'm just sharing. I'm just sharing you my experience about what I feel after the. Wait. Okay, I'm just sharing you what I experienced after the vaccine. So for now, I don't have allergy anymore since I drink this coconut juice. But that allergy comes from the vaccine. So, but it's been like 3 years now also, so it's quite long. But yeah, so far I'm good, and but I continue to sweat also, like exercise. So that is just experience. So that's all for now. And if you have any suggestion for the next video, you can just comment down below. And if you want custom video, message me to my Gmail account. Bye everyone. Love you all.